All right, so this is a one-point perspective photograph, and I'm going to talk about how to add horizon line, which is eye level, and also how to find a vanishing point with an orthogonal line. Okay, so this photograph, just think about where is exactly the eye level of the camera. So, for example, here it should be higher than this tabletop. Whenever you see a countertop is showing, that should be lower than eye level. And maybe I can tentatively find this is around eye level of the artist or camera. Okay, so let's add that on the tracing paper. If you do this on your computer digitally, that's also allowed. So I'm gonna just tentatively add the tracing paper here. And this can be the horizon line, which is eye level. Okay. Let's find orthogonal lines. Orthogonal lines are everywhere you can connect. For example, here I see the tabletop. This cabinet has this angular line, and also this ceiling and wall meets that has this angular line. Okay. And these tables have angular line. Even this short countertop has this angular line. Okay, let's say if I connect with a vanishing with an orthogonal line, I extend this. Right, I extend this. Even I can extend this ceiling. Even this countertop. Okay. In the case, the bottom of the cabinet, or any levels of the cabinet. Okay. Even very short line here is angle, which is aiming to this vanishing point. So I just drew horizon line and also bunch of orthogonal lines to find the vanishing point here in the middle. It's only one vanishing point because this is one point perspective. Okay, the rest is all horizontal lines or vertical lines. A lot of horizontal lines and vertical lines. Okay, let's talk about the 2-point perspective. 2-point perspective photograph. Okay. 2-point perspective photographs are typically facing to some kind of corner of the building or corner of the room. So when you see this one, a lot of angular lines, some vertical lines, right? But there are many horizontal lines. This tabletop, in case of the 1-point perspective, this was supposed to be horizontal, right? But now it's angular because you are not facing to a particular wall. 1-point perspective, you are facing to a particular wall like this. Now you're facing to a particular corner, and then not many horizontal lines. Okay, so that's 2-point perspective. So if I add, think about eye level. Okay, eye level should be higher than this tabletop, right? Because you are able to see the tabletop, right? And then something around here you can feel. Now, interestingly, these are all angular lines, slightly different angle, different angle. But whatever closer to the eye level, it's very similar to horizontal line. Okay, so I'm gonna add tentatively, I'm gonna add eye level around here. Right now, let's connect those angles to find two vanishing points because this is a 2-point perspective. For example, I can connect all these angle lines. And where a cabinet is touching the ceiling, that one has this angle line here too. Now, also this side, where the ceiling and wall meets, and where the wall and the floor meets, creating this kind of angle lines, which can be extended as orthogonal line. It's hard to see on the tracing paper. Even this table has this edge here, which has some angle, which can be extended. Okay, bottom of this table has this angle here, which can be extended too. All right, so now you realize that on this horizon line, which is eye level, there's one vanishing point and vanishing point a little bit outside of this picture. Okay, so this is 2-point perspective of because it has two vanishing points and both are on horizon, which is eye level of the artist. Okay, so you can do this digitally or you can do this on tracing paper, or you can draw directly onto the photograph itself. Okay, thank you.